We're gonna clean Daddy's car today. I volunteered my services. The car is very dirty. Let me give you a before and then I'm gonna give you an after.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Here we have Mr. Portius in his natural habitat, tinkering with his car. Today, he's doing the less violent act of all, vacuuming. And not just a quick vroom vroom either. He's doing it with precision, dedication, with elbow grease I've never seen used in a dish. But that's okay. He does it better than me. Meanwhile, I'm here mentally preparing to clean Daddy's car too. Eventually. Probably. Maybe. I don't know. I said I'd help, and I meant it. But the motivation is marinating. Honestly, the longer I stand outside, the less motivated I get. But I will clean, because I'm a person of my word. And whether I help a little or a lot, it's the thought that counts. Right? A million things I could be doing, but I decided to, do manual labor.
I see them, I do, you know.
Yeah, did you see them first?
I do all I see, I see them first. Before me do this.
Okay.
Eh?
Yeah, I'm going inside and call me done.
I'm going.
A few moments later.
You are killing me. I tripped and fell over that thing.
Alright.
Should I play some music? No, we don't want no copyrights. Black people don't do have much rights already. So, let's not add copyrights to one of the things that we do have. Let's risk it and put on some music. I cannot be alone with my thoughts so long. Cell block. I've been looking for this.
Days like today, just know it's gonna be okay. Today, tomorrow, one day at a time. If I can smile, I can shine. Shade days, shade days, shade day, oh days of shelter.
Mid cleaning, my camera has overheated once again. Why? I do not know, but it is what it is. Let's continue recording with my phone, which is also playing my music in this car.
She lights up inside.
Yes, they look, finally here. I get money, I'm no star. I'm just a human who works. dirt inside. Oh, me just clean up. Sure.
Smile. Some days you're gonna wanna frown, but days
They want come off again. Totally.
know it's gonna be okay. Today, tomorrow.
The last seat to go. Ignore my arm, I forgot to check. Friend, it's not even that much there.
Day at a time. If I can smile, I can shine. Shade days. Shade days. Shade day. Your days of shelter in the rain is where I'll hide away. Found
That's it.
Walk it like I talk it.
Hey.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it. Walk it like I talk it. Woo. Walk it like I talk it. Talk it. Walk it like I talk it.
Hey.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it. Walk it.
So you say pack up my tools and put away my camera that is overeating first. The dash cam fell. You look at that. Why? What me trouble? What me trouble? Trouble what? Oh! Dash cam drop down on it now, put it on back. You put it on back. Anyways, let me tell you guys why Daddy said don't trouble, don't trouble. The other day, Daddy was supposed to pick up my older brother from the airport. And he went to use their cars and park up his car, go for them car, have it right here so. So the person who gave the car said, hey, don't shut it off. But Daddy determined. Daddy say, what if we need to stop somewhere and pee? Or what if when we reach, them not come outside yet? So Daddy, come here, park exactly where this car parked right now and be like, make we try lock it off. So me, before we lock it off, find the kill switch underneath the car, wherever it want to be. You're not supposed to know where the kill switch is. Don't try to go with me. Show Daddy the kill switch and we press the button and I say, you know what? The only button we did it with, I must eat. So we switch off the car. I'm trying to use this car about 3 times already. So we extra careful. We know them lock out them car. Alarms go off. Can't shut it off. Where they have to unplug the battery. Turn off the alarm, the kill switch. Not turn off, not turn off, not turn off. No matter what we do. Till we end up have a call the person, give the car and be like, come help me. Because that's soon time for go pick up the people from the airport in a Montego Bay. So that is my fault because I me tell him say, yeah man, you must can't turn off. So me I say turn it off. You're not good enough. We can't always turn it off. You can't always start it up back. We could not start it up back. Somebody had to come and rescue. Somebody had to come and rescue me. But lesson learned. Don't trouble because them they tell you not to turn it off. Anyways, Daddy I wipe out the car. I'm sure Daddy I wipe out the car now. He's being good human being and cleaning his own car. Why was I doing it? Rub-a-dub-dub. My last task. Deliver the water. Yeah. There you go. Anyway, Daddy's going to do the rest while I go to rest.